Chapter 1. The Whisper of AHAYAH. Why does AHAYAH whisper when the world screams? Because truth isn't loud. Revelation comes in layers, and only the chosen know how to listen for the quiet. This chapter hits different. It's not just about how AHAYAH speaks, it's about why he chooses you to hear it. DeMarco Cantrell opens this book with a question that flips everything. What if your silence is the confirmation, not your volume? He breaks down how the Most High doesn't waste revelation. He gives it to the ones who lean in, who don't need lightning and thunder, just the wind of his spirit. Yeshaya said, "Tell no one," not because of fear, but because of timing. Chapter 1 is deep. It's where the whispers begin. And if you've ever felt chosen, ever felt like AHAYAH showed you something no one else could see, this chapter was written for you. So pick up Heavenly Secrets, Why AHAYAH Whispers and the World Screams. Link in the bio, and remember, when he whispers, lean in. When the world screams, stay quiet.